We have part of Kansas City skyline. We have the downtown airport straight ahead. We back up and see the bay windows. We keep on backing up and we have a chair and a desk as well. One bed right here. We have one table in the middle of both beds. In that console in the middle, there is an alarm clock as well as a bunch of plugs for you. We'll pivot around. We see the desk again. We also see a big TV. It is a smart TV with YouTube and Netflix. There's a place for your bag, also some more storage. We'll come over here. And this is our entrance. We have a good amount of space from the window to the door. Once we get closer, we do have a full length mirror here. And inside is where the coffee and the mini fridge is going to be. We have an ironing board, your ice bucket. Hangers right here. Front door, do we have a maximum room rate? I do. Maximum room rate of $899, less than 1,000, so that's great. We have a pretty bright bathroom. The lighting is kind of yellow lights, I would say, not the white lights. Towels here. One sink, light all the way around the mirror. The classic Marriott products. Do we have a hair dryer? I don't see it so far. And we have our sliding shower with two heads. And then we have more of the same products. Folks, this is the room.